Hi everyone, today we're going to be using GoSeek to solve a simple repayment problem. Say if you wanted to take out a loan from the bank to buy a car. There are a few characteristics relating to any loan and they're specified on the top left corner. At the moment, the numbers in the cells are arbitrary, but the spreadsheet has been generated to model the repayment schedule. If any characteristics of the loan is modified, it changes the repayment schedule. Say if the amount or how much the car is going to cost is changed, then the numbers in these cells will update accordingly. Monthly interest rate is usually determined by the bank. Let's say it's 1%. And payment is what you're capable of paying. Let's assume we're capable of paying back a maximum of $1,000 a month. And we want to repay the loan in, say, 2 years. So there are 24 installments in total. As you can see, the loan outstanding by the end of the 24th month is still positive. What we need is for the balance of the loan to be zero by the end of the 2 years. With the given conditions, what is our budget on the car? To solve this problem, we go to Data, What If Analysis, GoSeek. We want to change the amounts, the outstanding balance at the end of the 24 months to be zero by changing the initial amount. Click OK. And now the loan is fully repaid by the end of the second year, and we can spend $21,243 on the car.